Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to get instant payout on Stripe. So let's get into the video. So if you're trying to initiate or you want to initiate an instant payout from on your Stripe account, so what you simply have to do, it's pretty easy and straightforward. So firstly, log into your Stripe account, okay, and go to your dashboard. So that's mainly first thing you do. So just log in, and then once you're on your dashboard, what you're going to do, you're going to go to the balance option, and then when you get to the balance tab, then you'll see payouts there. So click on payouts. So when you click on payouts, you will see the list of all your payouts and their scheduled time and everything. So select the payout and then click on payout funds instantly. So click this option to get the payout instantly. So click on it, and then what you're going to do next is just enter the amount that you wish to pay out, and then select your connected debit card or bank to which you wish to transfer the payment or the funds to. So make sure you should have an eligible debit or bank card linked to your account, so that you can transfer your funds instantly. So once this is done, so just hit on payout. So that's it. So once you hit on payout, then your funds will appear within 30 minutes to your account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.